Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make エビとオクラのスイチリマヨサラダ. It's very simple and healthy salad using shrimp and okra. The dressing goes well with any ingredients. So today it's shrimp and okra, but please arrange as you like. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with the salad. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 200 grams of shrimp, 1 red onion, 300 grams of okra, sweet chili sauce, and mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. Let's finish all the cutting first as always. So onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Let's remove the bottom. I'm going to make it into very thin slices, like paper thin slices, using vegetable slicer. You can of course use knife. Okra. Cut the top off. And this black part around the neck is a bit tough, so let's peel it off. Top off and peel. Same for the rest of the okra. All peeled. Okra is a bit hairy. To remove the hair, sprinkle some salt, just random amount. Then roll it. Rinse off the salt. I got the deveined shrimp, so I'm not deveining it, but please devein if you need. Now, let's cook the okra and the shrimp. So prepare boiling water, pinch of salt. Put the okra and cook for 2 minutes. If your okra is bigger than this, Cook for 3 minutes. Let's take them out. Then the shrimp. Again, 2 to 3 minutes. And take them out. While you cool them down, let's make the dressing. Very easy. It's just 1 to 1. 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet chili, little bit of salt to your taste. Give it a mix. And the dressing is ready. The okra is still warm, but it's touchable, so let's cut it into 2 or 3 depending on the size. Let's cut the big one into 3. And the small ones into 2. All into the bowl of dressing. Squeeze the red onion really well and add to the bowl. Take some and squeeze. Let's add the shrimp too. Toss with the dressing. And it's done. Serve in the bowl. And エビとオクラのスイッチリマヨサラダ is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。The dressing, it's super simple, but it's surprisingly delicious. As I said, it goes well with any ingredients, so please arrange as you like. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. エビとオクラのスイッチリマヨサラダ is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other side. How about ツナとレタスのチャーハン here and tofu miso soup here. There are enough protein and vegetables, so let's pass the main. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.